Why buy the condo when you could buy the single family home at a better price, more than likely? I'm on 219 North Madison Avenue, Hammonton, New Jersey. This is a rare find, a single family, single story home, full basement, 2-car garage. This is an unbelievable property and I'm gonna tell you all about it. Let's check it out. You can see that the landscape is phenomenal. You got the azaleas coming out, lovely Japanese red maple. You got another red maple traditional style there, lovely hardscape. And here's your emblem, 219 North Madison. Got an asphalt driveway, 2-car garage, and the backyard is unbelievable. The side yard landscape, knockout roses, incredible. Lovely wide sidewalk here, hardscaped, both sides, nice. And if you like birds, this is a bird paradise. Let's check it out. 219 North Madison Avenue, Hammonton, New Jersey. This is a great property. This is a 1951 construction, so that means it was built right. Built from the ground up, solid materials. These are solid plaster walls, got the arches, crown moldings, hardwood floors, phenomenal. And you can see, obviously you have the seating area here with your big screen TV, china cabinet, dining area, plenty of room for Thanksgiving. Kitchen, have this granite countertop, speckled, lovely. The veining is incredible. Undermount stainless steel sink, and you have the tile backsplash, and it overlooks your gorgeous backyard, which I'll show you momentarily. Garage, 2 cars, easy. And then check this out back here. This is generally not too high maintenance. You have a lot of perennials coming up. You have a lot of knockout roses. You have forsythia. You have a maple tree here. Beautiful grounds. And check out this curved pathway. This is your own private sanctuary. Birds galore, rhododendrons, all kinds of variety within this walkway. It's all yours for the taking if you want it. The shed is also included. Nice place to store all your fertilizer and your soil, bird seed. And you have another private driveway to the rear of this property. Asphalt, excellent condition, real nice. Bilco door to the basement. And I don't know if I've seen a tulip tree more beautiful than this one. Straight as an arrow all the way to the top. Outstanding. Grounds continue on. And this side yard, can you hear that? Those birds? Well, guess what? They come with the property. They're all yours. So one of the ultimate compliments that you can give an Italian family is you could eat off the floors. And that's one of the greatest things that anybody could say to a homeowner. And this seller has made that happen. This property is immaculate. Every inch of it is sparkling. Let me show you the bedrooms here. It's a 3-bed, 1 bath. Check out this. The epitome of light, bright, sunshine, neat as a pin. This would be bedroom number 2. Very soothing sage green in here. Lovely woodwork, outstanding. And this bathroom is something really special. Lovely floors. It's got a combination of the bright white vanity countertop with that blue tile. That tile is custom and will survive the ages as far as quality and design aesthetics. Perfect. And we have a 3rd bedroom here, currently used as the cellar as a home office. Plenty of space, overlooks the backyard, glorious grounds there, knockout roses, great. Now let's check out the basement. There's a lot down there as well. It's not finished, but it's outstanding. The whole property is just short of 1,100 square feet. I think this is an example of just quality construction, 1951 style. You can see the thick beams going all the way through the property. Look at these posts. They don't build them like this in a ranch style home anymore. You got a 200 amp electrical box. You have the cinder block, which looks to me to be in perfect condition. And then you just have all this extra space. The furnace is oil fired, looks to be in great shape, and of course you got central air outside. Also you have your washer and dryer, epitome of neatness, and then this is your Bilco exit out. Have another little room, so where they used to can tomatoes, Italian style, and then carrying on in the Italian tradition, this used to be the wine cellar. So there used to be, I would imagine, bottles and bottles of wine, if not a couple 55-gallon drums in here. It's So if you think this is the right house for you, call the number above here, 609-400-3035, and make an appointment today with my office, and we'll set you up and we'll get you in here to check it out. But I could tell you that you're gonna need to make that appointment quickly, because this one's not gonna last. You just don't see this kind of quality and this kind of pricing in interior Hammonton like this one. Public water, public sewer. House is what you saw, is immaculate. If it's not your cup of tea, and I couldn't imagine why that would be, then make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel, and you can see all the new videos as they come out. All right, 3 beds, 1 bath, just short of 1,100 square feet, 2-car garage, full basement, and just immaculate in every single way. Eat off the floors clean, landscape unbelievable, a trickle of traffic goes by here. Hammonton Public Schools. Make your appointment today, and thank you so much for watching.